Hello, and this is the question for the SBI PO prelims. So first is the misspelled word, and then we have to find which one is that. If you find any correct answer, just comment. So which will be the correct answer? So out of all this, the correct answer is conscience. So this is the correct answer. Now moving to the next one. Now which one is the correct answer? This one is the correct answer. It means carefully, taking care or doing anything carefully. Which one is the correct one? Conscience. Now which one is the correct one? This one is consensus, means agreement. In Hindi it is Sahmati. Now choose the correct word. Out of this one, this is the excitement, to be happy, खुश होना, to be happy, खुश होना. Moving to the next one. Which one is the correct? Here B is the correct answer. Hierarchy, a vertical structure is there, hierarchy. Now see, all the sentences have been taken from the Hindu newspaper of Today newspaper. Today is 12/11/2021. All the sentences have been taken from the Hindu newspaper. So which one is the correct answer? See, the pandemic may have shrunk guest list, but the spend remains on venues, jewelry and package. इसका कहने का मतलब क्या है कि पेंडेमिक में क्या हुआ कि जो भी गेस्ट हैं उनके लिस्ट तो घट गए हैं, लेकिन जो खर्चा है अभी भी किस पे हो रहा है, वेन्यू पे हो रहा है, ज्वेलरी पे हो रहा है, पैकेजेस पे हो रहा है. लिस्ट कम हो गए, उनके गेस्ट की लिस्ट जो भी है वो कम हो, क्योंकि पैंडेमिक में क्या होता है, एक दूसरे घर नहीं जाते, फिर भी लेकिन उनकी स्पेंडिंग कम नहीं हुई है, बढ़ती गई है. तो इसी के बाद हिंदू न्यूज़पेपर से लिया गया है इसको. द करेक्ट आंसर इज DCBA. Moving on to the next one. It is also taken from the Hindu newspaper. The correct answer would be red alert in ends at district ends. Strong surface winds and heavy rain may continue. So answer will be A, B, C, D. रेड अलर्ट हो गया 8 डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स में, जो भी है रेड अलर्ट इन डिस्ट्रिक्ट एंड्स कर दिया गया. स्ट्रॉन्ग सरफेस विंड्स एंड हैवी रेन में कंटिन्यू. तो जो भी स्ट्रॉन्ग, जो आज का न्यूज है उसमें जो स्ट्रॉन्ग सरफेस विंड्स जो है भी कंटिन्यू रहेगा. तो दिस वुड बी फॉलोड. मूविंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट वन. The correct answer would be India must clear on how it wants to save Afghanistan destiny under the Taliban. The answer would be DCAB. It is also taken from the newspaper, editorial newspaper. You can go and read that newspaper, and in the title even it is given now it is rearranged. For this one, the answer would be the newly unveiled commitments at the conference of I-26 deserved examination as they came amidst very contradictory officials. So answer would be C, D, B, A. First would be the C, then D, and after that B and A. Moving on to the next one. See what with the commanders. Also it is taken from the Hindu newspaper. The center's levy of fuel surcharges are way beyond basic taxes and abject misuse of provision of the constitution. See, it is telling out the center's levy of the fuel surcharges. The center's levy. So what would be the, for the similar verbs would be there, and it will be, it is focused on the center's levy. So where it is check in B. Moving on to the next one. Is this economy still reeling from demonetization? There is no error. Most of you will find that what here will be under, but actually reeling from, just like demonetization, release from pain, मतलब कि आराम अभी तक उससे उबर ही रहा है, उससे पूरी तरह से छुटकारा नहीं मिला है. द इकोनॉमी स्टिल रीलिंग फ्रॉम डिमोनेटाइजेशन. दैट इज नो एरर. Now the next one is, center says armed forces cannot surrender the nation's defense to the threats of landslip in the hills. Where is the error? It is correct. It is also correct. See what would have, nation defense. The center says armed forces cannot surrender the nation's. It is, there would be a possessive case. What would be? Nations apostrophe s defense. So is 3. So also the solution has been given. So you can also download the PDF of this one.